Hi there. Thanks for coming into the Healing Project. This is Arlon Bennett, the protagonist here and the healer here and the facilitator. This goes out to Scott Stout for his birthday, and it's called Alabama Rain. Jim Croce. 1, 2, 3. Lazy days in mid-July, country Sunday morning, dusty haze on summer highway, sweet magnolia calling. Now and then I find myself thinking of the days when we were walking in the Alabama rain, driving movies Friday nights, drinking beer and laughing. Somehow things are always right, just don't know what happened. Now and then I find myself thinking of the days when we were walking in the Alabama rain. We were only kids, but then I never heard it said that kids can't fall in love and feel the same. I can still remember the first time I told you I loved you. On a dusty mid-July, country summer's evening, a weeping willow sang its lullaby and shared our secret. But now and then I find myself thinking of the days when we were walking in the Alabama rain, walking in the Alabama rain.